how to schedule videos on Uscreen. Hello everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can schedule videos on Uscreen. So if this is your question, ensure you watch this video to the end and you would learn how to do so. So let's go. The first step is for you to log in into your Uscreen account, just like I've done here. And then once you're logged in and you're on your home page, the next step is move to the left side of the screen where you can see a sidebar displaying options like dashboard, content, people, community, subscriptions, bundles, etc. So ensure you click on content. By clicking on content, you'll be brought to your videos. So select the video that you would like to work on, that is schedule, and click on it. So by clicking on the video, you will be brought to the editing page where you can edit the video. So once you're here, scroll down until you can see the section where you can schedule this. All right, so let's go and locate the schedule option. So yeah, this is a visibility by the right side of the screen. So yeah, you can see unpublished, published schedule. So select the schedule option and then move to the right side, select a time and a date where you would like to publish this video. So for me, I'm just going to select November the 30th and then I'll select 12 o'clock a.m. and that is it. And move to the top right corner, click on save changes, and the video would be scheduled. So you can see that it is straightforward and it's something that you can do easily. So go ahead and do this now and ensure that you subscribe, you leave a like for this video, and you recommend it for your friends and family as it would help them. Thank you for watching and have a good day.